The moments that break us are often the very moments that make us. Welcome to a journey of quiet strength and deep healing tonight. Have you ever sat in silence in your car after a long day, or lay awake at 2 in the morning, feeling completely alone? The world outside moves with such terrifying speed, yet here you are, feeling as if you have been left far behind in the shadows. But this silence is not an end. It is not a failure. It is the beginning of a profound and beautiful internal symphony of growth. In the dark of the night, we encounter our truest selves. The Stoics knew that these moments of solitude are where character is forged. Look at the ancient stones that have stood for millennia. They do not fear the dark. They embrace the stillness of the passing ages. At 2 a.m., when the world is quiet, your mind begins to wander through the gaps of your life, searching for a sense of belonging. You wonder why everyone else seems to have it all figured out while you are still navigating the labyrinth of your own heart. Let this silence speak to you. Let it tell you that you are exactly where you need to be to begin your transformation. We fear the gap between where we are and where we think we should be. We watch others climb while we feel frozen in place. This fear of missing out, this FOMO, is a modern plague that whispers lies about our inadequacy and our supposed lack of progress. Every scroll through social media shows us a curated gallery of success, making our own quiet lives feel small and utterly insignificant. But remember the words of Marcus Aurelius: "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts and your inner peace." Changing paths or starting over feels like falling behind, but it is actually the bravest step a human being can ever choose to take. Your journey is not a race against others. It is a slow, deliberate walk toward the most authentic version of your own unique soul. The sunset does not rush to become the night. It flows naturally, accepting the end of one phase to begin the next beautiful cycle. Wait for the storm in your heart to pass. Waiting is not a sign of weakness. It is a sacred ritual of mental preparation. When the noise of the world fades away, you are left with the truth. Do not be afraid of what you find in that quiet. Breathe into the emptiness. Within this void, you will find the raw materials to build a life that is truly and deeply your own. Lesson 1 is Amor Fati. Love your fate. Not just tolerate it, but embrace every single moment as if you had chosen it yourself. Whether it is a promotion or a breakup, every event is a necessary thread in the grand tapestry of your existence and your growth. Consider a friend walking through the wreckage of a failed marriage. The pain is real, but so is the opportunity for a new beginning. This space, this silence between lives, is the fertile soil where the seeds of your future self are currently taking deep, strong root. She is not losing time. She is reclaiming her soul. She is learning to love the path that fate has laid out before her. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. The leaves fall when they are ready, and the lake receives them with absolute stillness. Accepting the rhythm of your life brings a peace that the world cannot take away. You become as steady as the deep water. Lesson 2: The dichotomy of control. Distinguish between what is up to you and what is not. This is the secret to freedom. You cannot control the economy, the weather, or other people's opinions. You can only control your own mind and your own reactions. When we try to control the external world, it slips through our fingers like sand. We end up exhausted, anxious, and deeply frustrated. Release your grip on the things you cannot change. Stop fighting the wind and start learning how to set your own sails properly. There is a massive power in letting go. When you stop struggling against reality, you gain the energy to build your own internal world. Focus your entire being on your character, your choices, and your integrity. These are the only things that truly belong to you forever. The eye of the storm is always calm. Be that center. Let the chaos of the world swirl around you without entering your soul. Your internal state is your sanctuary. Protect it with the wisdom of the Stoics and the strength of your own quiet, determined resolve. Lesson 3: Time is your only true asset. Seneca warned that we are not given a short life, but we make it short. We waste our days worrying about the future or regretting the past, effectively throwing away the only moment we actually possess, the now. Time is not lost when you stand still in meditation. It is only lost when your mind is scattered by useless and painful anxieties. The river does not worry about reaching the ocean. It simply flows. Every inch of its journey is a complete and perfect expression of itself. Stop treating your life as a waiting room for something better. This moment, even in its stillness, is the substance of your life. Lesson 4. Silence is the forge of internal power. In the quiet, away from the applause of others, you build your true substance. Every stroke of the chisel is a moment of focused intention. The artisan does not rush. He knows that greatness requires time and silence. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Silence allows us to see through the illusions and find the solid ground of truth. Do not mistake your silence for emptiness. It is a period of accumulation, a gathering of forces before a major and powerful breakthrough. Think of a tree in winter. It looks dead to the world, but deep underground, it is preparing for the explosion of life in spring. Your winter is not a punishment. It is a necessary season of rest and root deepening that will support your future growth and success. Wait for your season with the patience of the earth. The sun will return, and you will be ready to rise with it. In the silence, your mind is rewiring itself. You are learning to find joy in your own company and strength in your own thoughts. The pressure to perform for others begins to dissolve. You start to live for your own standards, not for the expectations of the crowd. Silence is the language of the soul. Learn to speak it fluently, and you will never feel truly alone or lost again in life. Lesson 5. Become your own inner citadel, an impregnable fortress that cannot be shaken by the winds of fortune or the opinions of men. When you find your value within yourself, the world loses its power to hurt you. You become the master of your own internal kingdom. A citadel is not built in a day. It is constructed stone by stone through every difficult decision and every moment of quiet endurance. Notice how the light changes everything. The same stone that was cold and dark now glows with the warmth and power of the morning. You are that stone. The trials you have faced are the tools that have shaped your features and strengthened your very core and being. Look at her now. She is no longer hiding from the world. She is walking through it with a new sense of purpose and self-assurance. She didn't find a new job or a new partner to be happy. She found herself in the silence, and that was more than enough. The ocean is vast and deep. Its surface may be stormy, but its depths remain eternally calm and completely undisturbed by the winds. Be the depth, not the surface. Let your internal peace be so profound that the troubles of the world can only touch your outer edges. You have realized that you don't need to chase anyone. You are your own destination, your own journey, and your own greatest reward. Freedom is not found in having everything you want, but in wanting exactly what you have and being okay with who you are. Every step you take in this state of self-reliance is a victory. You are no longer a slave to the opinions of others or the trends of time. Build your citadel with the bricks of discipline and the mortar of wisdom. It will protect you through every storm of life to come. Standing tall doesn't mean looking down on others. It means looking within and finding a source of strength that never runs dry or fails. Your light is your own. Do not let the world blow it out. Carry it with you into the darkest corners of your future journey. As we conclude this journey, look into your own eyes. What do you see? You see a survivor, a learner, and a soul in bloom. The fear of being left behind has lost its grip on you. You realize that there is no behind when you are on your own path. Repeat these words to yourself whenever the world feels too fast and you feel too slow. Internalize this truth into your very bones. I am not broken. The cracks you see are not signs of failure. They are the places where the light of wisdom is entering. I am breaking open to grow. Like a seed hull cracking to let the sprout emerge, my old self is making way for something greater. You are not alone in this silence. Thousands of others are listening with you, finding their own strength in these same ancient and timeless words. We are a community of quiet warriors, building our citadels together. Your comment, I am growing from silence, is a beacon to others. If you are feeling lost, just hit a deep breath. You are not Tanvo, you are just Vo-Ra, to grow into something magnificent. Leave a comment below to commit to your growth. Let us know that you are stepping out of the shadows and into your own dawn. We are here to walk through the darkness with you. Welcome to the dawn of your soul, where silence is your greatest and truest strength. Go forth in peace, dear friend. Your journey has just begun, and it is more beautiful than you can ever imagine. Until next time.